In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel file into Notion. By the end, you'll have your spreadsheet data neatly organized as a Notion database, ready to filter, sort, and build into dashboards. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can do this from the left sidebar by choosing a new blank page. Give it a clear title so you can find it later, and make sure you're creating it in the right workspace or folder. Starting fresh keeps the imported table contained on this page and easy to manage. With your new page open, look to the top right and click the three dots to open the page menu. This menu is where Notion hides many powerful options, including the one we need for bringing in external data. It's a small button, but it's the gateway to importing without copy and paste headaches. From that menu, choose Import. You'll see options for different sources. We're focusing on a local file import, so you can bring in your spreadsheet quickly and keep your formatting as intact as possible. Now click. Choose a file. This opens your computer's file picker so you can locate the spreadsheet you want to bring into Notion. If your data lives in a folder with multiple versions, pick the most up-to-date one to avoid syncing issues later. Select the CSV file you want to import. CSV is the most reliable format for getting clean columns and rows into Notion, and it works great with data that originally came from Excel. If your original file is in Excel format and you don't see it listed, you can save or export the sheet from Excel as a CSV first, then come back and select that file here. Once you pick the file, Notion will process it and place the resulting database right on your page. After the import finishes, take a moment to review the table. Your first row in the CSV becomes the column headers in Notion, and each subsequent row becomes a database entry. If you see everything as plain text, that's normal. Notion often starts with text properties. You can adjust property types to better match your data, like switching a column to number, date checkbox, or select to unlock sorting, filtering, and rollups. Check date formats, verify that numbers imported correctly, and clean up any empty columns. If your spreadsheet had long notes, consider resizing columns or toggling to a table view that shows what you need. That's it. You've brought your Excel data into Notion and set the stage for smarter organization and analysis. Save the page and you're ready to build from here.